Today we're gonna be making watermelon popcorn. All right, today we're gonna be making watermelon popcorn. And what we're gonna be using is this flossine by Gold Medal. It's a Gold Medal product. This is used for making cotton candy, concentrated flavoring. And what you do is you actually mix this with sugar to make floss sugar, and that's what you put in the cotton candy machine. So we're gonna be using this along with sugar, and we're gonna mix some up so we can use it in our kettle corn machine. So we have here a cup of sugar, put that in there, and then we're going to put in here about a tablespoon, a little bit more than a tablespoon of watermelon flossine. And then what we'll do here is we'll mix this up. I wear gloves just because this stuff will stain your fingers pretty badly. It's very, very concentrated. Now I'm gonna be using about a cup and a half of this. So we're gonna add a little bit more sugar to this, and we're gonna be adding a little bit more flossine. So I'm gonna put in about another half a cup or so of sugar, and we'll give it about another half of a tablespoon of flossine. And we'll mix that up. All right, that looks really good right there. All right, we'll fire up our kettle corn machine and we'll add that once it starts popping. All right, we have a cup and a half of corn oil and 3 cups of kernels. All right, let's light it up. All right, we got our corn and our corn oil heating up here. We'll wait for it to start popping just a little bit. There we go, there's a couple kernels popping. Now we're gonna add the watermelon and sugar combination. Now it's a cup and a half because we're using 3 cups of kernels. We use a cup and a half of the sugar watermelon mix. Got the pop now. Starting to smell a little bit of the watermelon now as it's popping more and more. Alright, here's our watermelon popcorn going. Oh, nice bright red. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Nice and colorful. Nice watermelon. Turn off the heat. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Look at that nice red watermelon popcorn. Mix it around a little bit, start to cool it off. It's really hot right now. As it starts to cool, it'll start to harden more of the candy coating. Look at some of the coatings on that right there. That one really got a lot of the flavor, and you can see it all in here. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, got a really great candy coating flavor. Watermelon candy. It's a little bit crunchy, really sweet, really nice. That is some really great popcorn.